lucky not. You gotta tell me if you love me not, love me not, love me not. I'm wishing for you, I'm lucky not, lucky not, lucky not. Tell me if you love
Hey you guys, it's your girl B Lee. I'm back with another video. This video is a little different this time because it's actually a makeup fall look, you know, using some of my products. And I wanted to do something a little different to help you guys kind of get ready for the seasons, have something really simple, a really simple look. So if you're ready and you would like to know how I achieved this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, don't forget to make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I really need you guys' feedback, so feel free to subscribe so you'll always, you know, be a part of the club. Like, why not? Alright, stay tuned. We're going to get to the video. Alright, you guys, so I've already started with my face moisturized and my eyebrows done and concealed. So I've started with that step just because it takes me a little while to do my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to, of course, go with my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia's Beverly Hills. And the first color I'm going to start off with is Raw Sienna. As you can see, I've used a lot of it. I'm just going to use this to kind of base my, kind of like set my eyelid with a nice neutral color, almost the same color as my eyelid in a way, and this is just going to create a nice base to stop the creasing with the concealer. The next color I'm going to go in is called, I think, Cypress Umber. I'm going to use this on my eyebrow bone, and this is going to kind of create that nice blend. So I'm going to use this upon my brow bone, going really slow and taking my time to blend this color in. This is going to create a nice like color gradient, a difference in my brow bone from my eyelid. So take your time when you're blending. I'm using a Morphe brush. I don't know the numbers, y'all. I'm so sorry. But I know I'm using a Morphe brush, and this is the your regular old blender brush. But I'm just taking my time, making little circles, making sure this looks good along my brow bone to the end of my eye. Next, I'm using the color Golden Ochre, and this is actually a pretty nice color too on my eyelid. Like, it kind of blends in with my natural skin. So I'm just going to use this. Again, I'm sorry, I do not know the Morphe brush that I used. I'm so sorry, y'all. Like, I'm trying to get my life together, but I'm going to apply this right on my eyelid. This is going to create a base of any light color. You do not have to do the exact color that I used or what other color combinations. You can add glitter here, you can add whatever, but this is going to set that color to be a little lighter and brighter. So if you wanted to add some gold shimmer to it, you can, but I think I just kept it clean by adding the golden ochre along my eyelid. And I'm just going to carefully blend in from that dark brown color to the golden ochre, nice and easy. Okay, so I'm using my ColourPop. I think it's 40 or dark 40. I don't know. It'll be in the description box. Every product I've used will be in the description box, so don't worry about that. I have my Real Techniques brush. I put the concealer on my hand, and then I take my brush and use it from my hand. I don't like to use a lot of concealer for simple natural looks like this one. So what I did is I take the concealer brush and I make a nice line first, and I just keep bringing it out nice and slowly to create a very even shape. When the concealer is nice and dry, I still keep trying to bring it out so that way when I put the color on top, it's going to blend. Some people like, you know, the cut crease look, but this look is just really for it to blend. So I'm just going to bring the concealer out until it's dry and chappy. That way it's going to make it easier for me to blend out whatever color I apply on top of the concealer. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to be using is Warm Tape, and this is a different color. It kind of reminds me of like a brown mauve color. So I'm just going to take this and apply this to where I put the concealer. Again, just kind of creating a very fair shade base, and this Warm Tape is going to help the concealer to the brown kind of blend in nice and comfortably, so it doesn't look, you know, like two different colors. So I'll just use this to just blend in and make it look nice and even. So. Okay, so the next color I'll be using is Primavera. I love this color so much. I'm surprised it's still enough left in my palette. I'm going to use another Morphe brush. I don't know the number. I'm so sorry. But I'm going to use this, and that's going to help me apply that shimmery shade to my eyelid really carefully to create that nice, pretty color. I take my time, I make sure enough is there, and like I said, my biggest concern is making it blend, making it look really nice in my lid. Like, just natural. This is a natural look I wanted to give and have, so I didn't want to have too much of a cut crease or anything. So you'll see me applying that little shimmery shade and really taking my time to blend it out. You guys, like, take your time with your eyeshadow looks. Don't rush yourself. If you're a beginner, if you're new, if you're not, just take your time. Like, it's just a learning process. Have fun with it and take your time blending out these colors. It'll really do you better justice, I promise. Okay, so now I'm about to apply ColourPop's No Filter foundation, or stick foundation, in 175W, dark 175W. I also have dark 177W, and that's, the W means warm, basically. You guys can look in my other review about how I felt about this stick foundation. I'm just going to apply it in all different places, like kind of like dotting my face a little bit, and I'm going to go in with my foundation brush to spread the particular foundation. Okay, so now I'm going to take ColourPop's Dark 40 concealer, and I'm going to apply this, of course, in my T-zone, my forehead, my cheeks. I don't do like the bottom of my cheeks with concealing, so you'll see me do it. I love this concealer. It's very wet and it dries pretty well. So ColourPop did their thing with this concealer. I like it. I use it all the time for my eyebrows, and it's just really easy to apply and very easy to blend out. So I really do love this concealer for the price it is. So now I'm going in with ColourPop's, it's a darker shade, so I'm going to use this for my contour. I think this is dark 45 or 50. Again, I'm not sure, but this will be in my description box so you guys can look at every product I've used and understand where I get it from and stuff like that. So I'll leave all the links and everything below. I'm just going to use this again, like, of course, to contour my cheekbones and, you know, make my nose smaller and apply it a little bit above my brow bone, and I'm just going to blend it out. Okay, so after I'm all blended out, I use Ben+nye's BB Zero Banana Luxury Powder. I don't know, like I say, this is my holy grail. I've used this, like, this is my best powder. I love this baking powder. It works for my skin. I don't have any flashbacks. Like, I don't know if a lot of people use this powder. When I put it on, it looks very, very bright, but it has kind of like a yellow undertone to it, whereas if I used Laura Mercier, I felt like it was just plain white. So that's kind of probably why it works for my skin tone, and I don't have any flashbacks, because it has a yellow undertone to it. So it does the job right, and it blends very well, very easy to blend with any of the products that I use, and I can apply as much as I would like, and and it'll blend out. It won't look like I'm like ashy. So I use this a lot. I purchased it on Amazon. I love this powder so much, and it just gives me a nice look, and it makes it look really nice. Like my powder, everything looks like a nice, good powdery finish. So I love this powder. I don't see a lot of people using it nowadays. I don't know, but I'm gonna let y'all get hit because it's a little throwback. I know they used to use it a lot, but they don't use it anymore. But your girl, you know, I definitely use it. I love using this powder so much. So again, this is Ben+nye's powder, and this is Topaz. I use this as a finishing powder. I purchased this like 4 years ago, y'all, and I still have a lot left. So I'm also not a makeup artist, so I'm not necessarily, you know, doing makeup all the time. I do wear makeup fairly a lot, and for me to have this still going is great for 4 years. So again, I purchased this off Amazon as well, and I use this as my finishing powder just to blend everything in, just for everything to look nice and have that nice finishing powder look. The powder is very soft, and it's easy to apply, and it really soaks into my skin very well. So I love it. Okay, this little palette that I have is Sleek Makeup. And it has like a bronzer, a highlighter, and another contouring. And I use this a lot. I love the bronzer and I love the highlighter. So usually I just go between like the bronzer and the dark brown. I put it on my cheekbones to create a nice warm finish between my cheekbones and here. So I like how that looks. And it gives me a little red tone. So it looks nice. I like the subtleness it gives. It's not too much. You probably don't even notice that I did add a little bit of that like reddish shimmer, and it just gives me that nice finished bronze look. Okay, and now I'm going to take the middle part, and this is just a highlighter. I put this right under my eye. I always like how when I see girls, they have like this little gloss under their eye where their highlighter is, and it just looks so pretty to me. Like, it's not a lot of gloss, but it's just enough, and I really like it. But I just put it right under my eye, and this is just to put over the color base of the Ben+nye banana powder. And again, I'm just going to go in, blend everything in, make sure it looks even, make sure I'm not looking ashy, and make sure I'm looking natural. At the end of the day, I love natural looks. I don't like too much, but this works for me. Okay, so next is, to finish my look, is the NYX Intense Butter Gloss. I think I got this at Target. I think they have, you know, all these different colors or whatever, but this is a perfect brown, and I love that it has a gloss to it. So my lips aren't ashy underneath. I wasn't going to go for a matte look. I love this color just to have, you know, a nice brown's always cute in the winter, a nice brown color. And it goes on very easy. I love this. You probably don't need a lip liner. I don't really add a lip liner because it is glossy, but this color also, I'm pretty sure you could probably like mix and match the NYX's lip color for whatever color you're looking for. But this is their gloss look, and I love it. So I just use this to finish my look, my makeup look. Alright, you guys, so this is my finished look. I know it looks so nice, right? Very subtle, very natural, just something simple for the holidays. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed your family this holiday in the seasons, and I will see you on my next video. See you later.